All right, so this is an interesting one that I wanted to add in. Can you be sued after your injury case is over? In most cases, no. The answer is no in the vast majority of cases. I'd say 95% or greater. I'm just going to point out a couple situations where you might be able to be sued, and I just want to make sure you're aware of them. There is a slim chance that the defendant could sue you if you had done something wrong in the incident, and usually that would be in a car crash. Usually this is resolved in the release, so it's not an issue, but I just want to make sure you're aware of it. And so if you have any questions, make sure you let us know. But again, this is extremely unlikely. Let's say the situation where they wanted to hold back a claim to sue you. I've never seen it in my practice. The reason why I'm talking about it is because I've seen it in other practices. I've never seen it in our law firm, but I've seen other people that had a client, other law firms that they had a client where they got sued after they settled the case. And so I just want to make sure you're aware of it, but it's only if you had done something wrong and if it had not been dealt with in the release. Another situation might be is if there's another defendant. Okay, so let's say there's another defendant and we did not settle with them. That case is still pending, or we just chose for whatever reason not to pursue that claim. This is also another unlikely situation. But if they think you did something wrong, that other defendant could technically go after you and sue you. Again, this is a very unlikely situation. I've never seen it happen to a client. Where that might be a case is where, let's say, a couple defendants and they have countersued you. Okay, so that could be a situation where they're claiming that you're at fault, we're claiming that they're at fault, and we settle with one party, but the other party sells a claim against you. That could be something where the case is still ongoing with that particular defendant. Another unlikely situation. All of these situations are also unlikely. The third situation might be where if you told us not to pay a provider because they don't have a lien on a case, they could sue you for that balance. And that's one of the reasons why my advice to clients is to pay those bills, get them done, put them behind you. Don't worry about trying to negotiate them on your own. Don't worry about trying to pay them on your own. Just pay out the settlement, get it done. That way it's behind you. But that's a situation where if you choose to do that, they could sue you. If you have questions about that, as always, give us a call, 888-550-4026. Again, these are all unlikely situations, but also feel free to shoot us an email or shoot us a text if you have any other questions. But have a great day. See you, buddy.